Welcome to the channel. Today we're looking at a truly unique micro camper that brings retro charm and modern comfort together in one elegant package. A three-wheeled tricycle camper with a personality all its own. At first glance, you can't miss that beautiful glossy gray finish. It's bold, sleek, and gives off a timeless vibe that feels both classic and contemporary. The design is fully rounded, with smooth curves that instantly remind you of vintage scooters or 60s travel trailers. But this isn't parked on some campsite. It's sitting right here inside a luxury showroom, and it fits right in with the polished floors, spotlighting, and minimalist high-end decor. Now, up front, you've got a bubble-style windshield, large, curved, and crystal clear. It offers great visibility and adds to that friendly, nostalgic look. Below it, the two round headlights almost look like eyes, giving the camper a cheerful, welcoming appearance. Along the side, there's a small awning extended above the door, ready to provide shade during a break or camp stop. Even here in the showroom, you can imagine pulling up to a scenic overlook and kicking back under that awning. Let's step inside, and here's where the magic of smart design really shines. Despite the compact size, the interior feels surprisingly cozy. It features two sofa-style seats placed face-to-face. They're soft, inviting, and finished in a neutral tone that keeps the space feeling open. A foldable table rests between them, great for meals, working, or even just a morning coffee. And when you're done, it folds down and out of the way. The lighting sets the tone beautifully. A warm yellow ambient glow fills the cabin, giving it a soft, relaxing atmosphere that feels more like a tiny living room than the inside of a camper. The space is framed with light-colored walls and simple curtains that add just enough texture without making the space feel cramped. Plus, there's smart hidden storage beneath the seats to keep your things tidy without sacrificing space. Overall, it's a perfect blend of function and aesthetic. It's not meant to carry a family of 5 or go off-roading through mountains. It's built for minimalists, solo travelers, or couples who love simplicity and style. It's compact enough to maneuver through urban spaces, but cozy enough for a weekend escape. So whether you're planning a scenic getaway or just want a stylish little mobile home for spontaneous trips, this retro-style tricycle camper might just be the perfect ride. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this look at the micro camper, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments. Would you travel in one of these?